This report brought to you by the Richmond Club, where investors and high-growth companies meet.
We believe that Gold79 Mines presents a unique opportunity for investors looking for exposure to gold exploration development opportunities. Gold79 is focused on the southwestern United States of America, looking for oxide gold, building gold ounces. The company has a strong portfolio of assets in Nevada and Arizona, and we're going to be actively drilling on our Arizona project later in 2021. Gold79 Mines has a strong management team. We're focused on building ounces in the southwestern United States. The company has 3 exploration projects focused in Nevada and Arizona: the Tip Top project, the Jefferson Canyon project, and the Gold Chain project. The Jefferson Canyon project, it contains a large volcanic caldera gold system. It shares many similarities to the impressive Round Mountain mine, which has produced about 15 million ounces and has another 7.5 million ounces in reserves and resource categories. Jefferson Canyon is located about 7 kilometers to the east of Round Mountain, and recently the company identified a greater than 4 square kilometer golden soil anomaly, overlies some of the historical workings and drillings, but has identified a much larger mineralized footprint on the property that wasn't previously recognized. The plan is to advance this project through drilling and get it into resource category. The company recently modeled up the historical resources on the project, and it looks like there's a pretty significant exploration target at the Jefferson Canyon project. We recently published an internal target providing for 40 to 200 million tons of material in the 0.5 gram to 1 gram per ton gold equivalent range. The plan is to get the project through the permitting process and start drilling as soon as that permit is provided for. Before I move on to Tip Top, I wanted to discuss some of the historical drilling results on the Jefferson Canyon project. There was one hole called Hole 81. It was drilled in the 80s, and this hole returned basically from top to bottom 167 meters of 3.5 grams gold equivalent. Within that interval, on the top part of the section of the hole, had 41 meters of 6 grams of gold per ton and 400 grams silver per ton, which on a gold equivalent basis, that's like 41 meters of 11 grams gold equivalent. Obviously, we're going to go back and follow up that drill hole as soon as we get the green light to start drilling. Moving on to our Tip Top project, the company recently announced results from its late 2020 soil geochem and rock sampling program, and identified quite a large footprint gold signature, as much as 5 kilometers long by up to 2 kilometers wide, gold and soil anomaly. And recent sampling identified some pretty impressive gold grades from the veins, basically confirming historical workings on the property, which returned up to 6.7 meters of 11.8 grams per ton gold at surface sampling, and some pretty impressive oxide gold mineralization on the property to date. And so we're excited to get back into the Tip Top project and do some more work. The plan is similar to our other strategy with our other projects. It's to advance this target area to building ounces on the books. There is a small historical resource on the property, and we see significant potential to expand on the resource at Tip Top. And one of the interesting chemical and geological signatures that we've identified recently from the work we've done is that it looks like we're fairly high up in the system, and which indicates to us that the gold mineralization may be well preserved. So that's something we're going to need to test through much deeper drilling. The Gold Chain project is located in southern Arizona, located near a town called Bullhead City. And it's actually north about 15 to 12 kilometers from Northern Vertex's Moss Mine. We recently had conducted some rock sampling and mapping out at the Gold Chain project, and it has identified significant widespread gold mineralization at surface. The company recently expanded its claim holdings and are now permitted to start drilling. The objective of the program is to drill near surface oxide mineralization, basically following up on the historical drillings that happened on the project in the 1980s. And so there was a significant number of broad disseminated oxide gold mineralization identified on the property. The plan is to continue to drill on this project and get it into resource category as soon as possible. In summary, we believe that Gold79 Mines presents a unique opportunity for investors looking for exposure to gold exploration development opportunities. We believe that once we advance these projects and get them into resource category, that the company will get a significant re-rate in the market. We're excited about drilling these projects and moving them up the curve. Gold79 Mines has currently 91 million shares outstanding, and management holds about 15% of the company. Gold79 Mines trades under the ticker AUU on the Toronto Venture Exchange.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know. You've been watching the Richmond Club Report. If you've just come across this channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm sure you'll find a lot of interesting and lucrative investment and trading ideas around here. We'll see you again soon on the next video. Cheers, guys!